Hey everyone, Tails Ninja here. Today I'm going to see what's inside of a floppy disk. This isn't really a floppy disk, this is like kind of a before floppy disk. I don't know what kind of disk this is, but it's just a floppy disk, so we'll see what's inside of it. It's broken, so I'll just take that part off, and you can see a little bit of the inside. And just like bend it a little bit, and you can see there's like a little edge. So I'll grab like a guitar pick and open up the inside, and then I'll grab a screwdriver and just pry it open. So this came out. This is some of it. Let me do some more. I'll actually do it right here. Jeez, this is like tough as nails. Got the guitar picking stuck inside. I'll just grab like a thing of scissors and just try to cut the inside. Jeez. Alright. Alright. I got the guitar pick out. Sorry, the camera's just tilted a bit. Here's the inside of it. It's just this little thing of data. I scratched it a little bit from opening the inside. See what else is in here. There's the pad. Yep, there's the, this is the pad. This, like, helps protect the data from just scratches. Just a little pad. There's, like, a little dot on here. There's more of the padding. It's just like to read the data. Oh, and this is on here. I think this like just like locks the inside of the disk. So yep, that's what's inside of a floppy disk. And I'll also be doing more. I'll be dissecting more stuff. You've probably seen these in the back. I've got an original Game Boy games, Tetris, a Game Boy Color game, Logical, a few Game Boy Advance games, this is just a few examples. Here's a licensed Nintendo one, and 2 licensed ones. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, bye.